Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add theme showcase to your Wix website. So the first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, then just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a theme showcase. So let's click sign up for free on the right top corner. Now we want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, and when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write search and you want to write theme, and right here you can see theme showcase. So let's create a widget, and you can choose between small theme, dedicated, music, brand, teachers. Really choose which one you actually want, like small theme here, right? Continue with the template, and now you just add the members here, add a name, position, and also the photo. And when you got it, go to the right top corner to save. Now when you're gonna do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, and enterprise. Let's copy the code here, and now what you want to do is just simply click add, empt, custom empt widget, and voila, here we got it. So this is how you can simply add team members. You can like actually edit as much as you want the theme showcase and choose really which template you want, but this is really useful. I recommend like checking out all the other applications in the site if you can find them useful, for like Facebook feed, Pinterest feed, etc. And yeah, so thank you very much. Have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.